Paying more for fuel in China. The government is allowing prices to rise. It's the biggest jump in years, marking what some call a dramatic change in the country's energy policy.
They've taken a fairly significant U-turn in as much they are going to start to reduce the subsidies, which long-term can't go on.
Paying subsidies and imposing price controls on energy has been common practice in China. The government does it to keep fuel and electricity affordable for its people. The price of fuel in China has been roughly half the international price, but the global price of oil has soared, making it tougher for authorities to pay up.
They're just punching too much of their income into these subsidies. It's very expensive for them.
The situation has also created problems for some of the nation's oil refiners. Companies that would buy oil at high global market prices have had to sell fuel at low government set prices. To preserve profits, some firms have cut back on buying and selling fuel altogether, causing shortages and long lines at the nation's petrol stations. It's hoped that the new energy rates will ease those shortages. Gasoline now costs 17% more, diesel 18%, jet fuel 25%, and electricity? Prices are also going up on average by nearly 5%. But there's a fear the hike could stoke inflation, already at its highest rate in a decade. There's also concern about frustration on the streets. In an effort to ease the blow, the government has exempted farmers from the fuel increases, along with those hardest hit by the recent earthquake. Some manufacturers and economists also worry the price hikes could make Chinese goods sold to the rest of the world pricier.
It will add to the cost of production for China as a whole, and which will make the goods produced in China more expensive than otherwise.
Still, some hope the move could help cut demand in the world's second largest oil-consuming nation.
I feel the price has increased too much. I will try to drive less.
And experts say possibly pave the way for China to become more energy efficient down the road. Eunice Yoon, CNN, Hong Kong.